In a world where shadows creep and grow, you stand a hero all alone. Zombies crawl with relentless pace, their hollow eyes, the deadly chase. The battle feels fast and dangerous near, but you face it all without a tear. With glowing strength, your flare shines, dodging death in these dark gunfights. Lose your gold, each bite is gold. 10 punches and you grow bold. Traps you place with cutting care, outsmarting foes in the deadly snare. But beware, for the horde will grow with every 50 points they show. Their speed, their hunger, it starts to rise. Swarm of chaos and the red skies. A single touch and strangers red game. Oh, whispers you left for dead, but don't despair, rise up, play again. Outlast the horde. You will walk them in the 50 points. They show their speed, the hunger it starts to rise. A swarm of chaos under the red skies. A single touch and the screen turns red. Game over, whispers you're left for dead, but don't despair, rise up, play again. Outlast the horde. Your will will bend. The score goes bright, your badge of pride. Through every moment you bravely tried. In the zombie apocalypse, your spirit's the key to survive, to thrive, and to be truly free. Of who's your goal? Each bite is gold. 10 points earned and you grow bold. Traps you place with cutting. I can't outsmarting foes. In the depths of sights, boost your gold. Each bite is gold. 10 points earned and you grow bold. Traps you place with cunning and care. A single touch and strangers red. Game over, whispers you'll for dead, but don't despair, rise up, play again. Outlast the horde. You will walk bad with the great 50 points. They show their speed, their hunger, it starts to rise. A swarm of chaos on the blood red skies, on the blood red skies.